How to open Lloyds Bank accounts online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can create yourself a Lloyds Bank account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in lloydsbank.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to create yourself an account, you will see logon icon at the top right corner. Here under Internet Banking, you will see Personal and Business. Below, tap on Register. Scroll at the bottom of the page and tap on Register here. At this page, simply type in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email and confirm your email. If you live in UK, check the box that says yes. If not, check the box that says no. Now also enter your postcode. Here choose your account type. If you would like to create yourself a saving or a current account, check this. If not, you can also go for mortgage, loan, credit card or share dealing. Once you do so, enter your account number. At the end, check the box that says I agree to Internet Banking terms and conditions and tap on to continue. If you need any kind of help, you can get them by scrolling below and follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload. And just like so, this is how you can do it.